Have you ever wanted to show dimensions directly on your Revit 3D model, only to realize that the standard dimension tools doesn't seem to work? Most beginners think dimensions can only be added in floor plans, sections, and elevations. But Revit actually allows you to dimension your 3D models as well. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add dimensions to a 3D view. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consoles. Is this your first time here? Make it official, tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out. Step 1. Open your 3D view. First, open the view where you want to place your dimensions. In this example, I'll be using this residential building model. You can use the default 3D or any custom 3D view you've already created. Go to your project browser. This is the view. Duplicate it. Right click. Duplicate view with detailing. Now you can rename it. Let's use 3D dimension. Step 2. Lock the view orientations. Before placing dimensions, it's important to understand that dimensions in 3D views works better when the view orientation is locked. Click on this icon, Save Orientation and Lock View. We've locked the view, you cannot rotate it. Step 3. Activate the dimension tool. Before we start dimensioning it, we need to pick a plane. Click on Architecture, Set Work Plane. Click on Pick a Plane. Okay. Let's pick this plane. Now go to the Annotate tab, pick the dimension tool. Let's dimension this point. We'll have it here. Let's hide this. Select it, create similar. Let's dimension the vertical axis. You have the dimensions here. You can dimension anywhere you like in this plane. Let's dimension this. As simple as that. Now to dimension this other plane, you need to repeat that same process. Click on Architecture, Set Work Plane, pick a plane, click OK. Now let's pick this plane. Now you can dimension everything that pertains to this plane. Let's try this. After this, you can adjust the text size. You can select it, edit type, and either increase or reduce the size of the text. For a professional result, turn off unnecessary categories. Hide construction elements you don't need. Also use consistent colors or shaded visual styles. You can use this to dimension your interior designs like the cabinets, the shelves, for a presentation. That's how to add dimensions to a 3D view in Revit. It's a simple technique that can make your models easier to understand and present. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.